This is an 3D Pro multi-layer 3-unit bridge case. We need to glaze some shade paste to be good looking. To remove little dirt on the crowns. The lower part is cervical, which is deeply shaded. Now the cervical shade is deep enough with shade of paste. If a certain shade is missed or lacked, we can glaze an orange shade on the bridge mixed by yellow and red shades to be more natural. Details please visit https://bloomden.com. 3D Pro Multi-Layer 3D Pro Multi-Layered Zirconia Block. HTML. Or WhatsApp to Bloomden 861-313-511-7836.